Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, July 25th, and this is my analysis for the Euro Yen, and I'm on the 4-hour time frame to start with. So the Euro Yen went up and made a new high again yesterday, mostly because of the Euro, not quite so much because of the Yen. We had Euro interest rate news, and then the Euro press conference yesterday caused the Euro to be very, very strong. Now, I mean, we really have been in an uptrend on the weekly pretty much all year long, so it makes sense that it's continuing to make higher highs, higher lows. Plus, when I had my Fibonacci retracement from here to here, this definitely was a three-way pullback in a Fibonacci bounce. So, because the trend is up on all time frames, definitely looking for logs. Definitely not looking to go long here at the top of a move. But anytime I see one, two, three-way pullback Fibonacci bounces, that's where I will be looking to go long. And the weekly time frame could just keep on going up. So just because it's been going up for pretty much all year doesn't mean it's going to stop going up. So I definitely will continue to look for longs when I can. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.